Listen, I want to make money with you. Yeah, you. I want to make money with you. See, it's a big opportunity out there that exists in the credit restoration space that over 68 million people need and they can benefit from. And it's so many people out there who need what it is that I'm referring to that I know I can't do it alone. See, it's a FCRA violation that has affected 68 million people, meaning they have errors, inaccuracies, outdated information, duplicate accounts, all on their credit report. And as a result of it, they're entitled to $1,000 to $2,500. And that will help a lot of people, especially during this time. That being said, I want to invite you to make money with me. Now, it's multiple ways that you can get money in the credit restoration industry, including what I'm mentioning, but also some things that I have not mentioned yet. But you must be a part of the community to be able to participate. You must be a part of the community in order to take advantage of what it is that I have, because I want you to be educated from an area of credit, but also understand the power, the impact that we can make in terms of helping people get what's rightfully theirs. You see, a lot of people are in the credit restoration industry, but they don't have a pathway, a straight pathway to get what's rightfully theirs from those FCRA violations. Where my legal team can process more people than they are currently receiving right now, which means it's a huge opportunity to maximize the amount of people that we can impact of that 68 million people who currently have that FCRA violation that entitles them to $1,000 to $2,500, including possibly you. 1 in every 3 people that I've submitted have qualified. So that means 1 out of 3 of you possibly qualify. So not only could you position yourself to get the $1,000 to $2,500 by seeing if you have FCRA violations that are on your report, but you can also help others and get paid to do it. But you can only do it inside of the community. So I want to welcome you into my community. The link should be somewhere available. And right now, if you get started today, you can get it at a deep discount for a lifetime discount. You'll be grandfathered in to their price point. As long as you have an active membership, you can continue to get money with me in this area. So I don't want to go too deep into detail. The details will be laid out once you click the link and you take action. And as soon as you take action, the first step positions you to see if you qualify for the $1,000 to $2,500. And as you continue to dive deep, you'll see how you can make money with me and help other people get access to those same proceeds. All from finding errors that are on their report. And even if you're not doing the work and you just follow my blueprint, follow the process, you can get paid by helping others. It's 68 million people out there who need us, who wants to join this journey with me so we can make money by helping others get what's rightfully theirs. Mr. Smith signing out. I see you on the inside. Do it now while it's fresh on your mind. Salute.